We're not on the trail.
I thought you were taking a picture. I'm like posing. I'm like teasing. And I'm like,
Always posing. No. No. We are not on a trail. We wanted to get back on trail today. But there's a snowstorm warning and it's already snowing everywhere.
Everywhere above 4,000 feet is supposed to have like up to a foot of snow and be in the low 20s tonight. And
they said it could be up to 35 centimeters of snow.
the rangers were even advising people not to camp up in the mountains tonight.
Okay.
Unless you have mountaineering tents, and we don't. So
You barely have pants.
yeah.
So
Not even. I'm wearing shorts right now.
So we're gonna stay in Winthrop for 2 or 3 more nights, which means that we're gonna have too much time to spend and not enough money. So we were thinking tomorrow we could have a live Q&A or a live video because I can do that now.
Yeah.
So
What does that have to do with money?
nothing. I'm just saying that then we'll have something to do. So I was thinking tomorrow at noon, like 12 o'clock Washington time.
Where do I look? Is this the camera?
Yeah.
That one? Okay.
So tomorrow at 12 o'clock Washington time, that means that in Sweden that's going to be 9 o'clock in the evening. The rest you have to figure out yourself. We can have a little live video. So if you got any questions or want to hang out, come hang out with us.
Is that how that works?
I think so.
Cool.
Well, you don't know
Learn
yet.
something new every day. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Peace.